Hey Fragrance fam, I'm so excited to let you know that this month is Aromatic Fragrance International's 12th year anniversary. In honor of this special occasion, I'll be using our fan favorite birthday cake fragrance oil to make celebratory themed candles. While I work on them, I'll be sharing some of AFI's story so far and giving you tips for celebrating your own business milestones. If you'd like to make some yourself, follow along with the recipe and steps on the screen. Without further ado, let's get started. AFI started with a mission to get quality fragrances into the hand of small business owners looking to grow their inventory. It can be tricky scaling your business. Most fragrance manufacturers have large minimum order quantities that are out of budget for anyone just starting. So we introduced smaller minimums and free samples to help more people enter the world of fragrance. With our founders' background in the industry, they knew the importance of quality fragrance. By crafting uncut perfumer formulated fragrances right here in Georgia, we started AFI to help you harness the power of scent to add real market value to your products. For over a decade, your continued support has allowed us to grow alongside with you. What started as a one-building operation has now spread across multiple facilities dedicated to perfumery, compounding, shipping, and more. Our team has grown too. We're proud of our dedicated team, each of whom contributes to the production of our fragrances in one way or another. To see how expansive AFI has become, just take a look at our facility tour videos to meet the team and compare that to some of our oldest videos. But even after 12 years in operation, our commitment to you has remained the same. We want anyone to experience the joy and comfort that fragrance can provide, regardless of their business size. Our oils are still crafted in our hometown of Cartersville with a family-based team, whether that family is connected by blood or by the close bond that we've developed with each other over the years. We're so happy that you're all part of the team as well. That's why you're part of the Fragrance Fam. Without your continued support throughout the years, we wouldn't be able to develop the library of over 40,000 fragrances. Whether you make candles, soaps, air care, cleaning supplies, or any number of fragrance goods, there's something for everyone in our vast collection of scents. And now there's even more in store. We've expanded our offerings from just fragrance to include premium candle waxes and easy-to-use air freshening bases. In fact, I'm using one of our in-house waxes to make these candles. To see our other bases in action, watch some of our most recent DIYs to see how simple they are to work with. They're a great way for you to expand your line without having to break the bank or stock up on tons of raw materials. And speaking of milestones, we'd love to know how long you guys have been working with our fragrance oils. Are there any scents that you've been using for as long as we've been operating? What accomplishments have you made on your very own business journey? We love watching you guys thrive and grow. Whether you're just setting up your first market booth or opening up a brick and mortar store, big achievements like these are the perfect opportunity for you to launch new products and promotions. Consider anniversaries and business milestones like your own personal holidays. Customers love exclusive events, so take these times to thank them with sales or giveaways. It's always exciting to get your hands on a new candle or soap when it's only available for a short time. The fragrance I use today is one of our all-time favorite classics, and I can't think of a better way to celebrate this month's occasion. To all of our viewers and customers, thank you. Your support and dedication to AFI has allowed us to stay true to our mission and continue to grow even more. We can't wait to see where this next year and beyond takes us and your very own businesses. As always, thanks so much for tuning in for today's video. Subscribe to see AFI updates, giveaway videos, and more. I'm Caitlin, and happy 12 years to all of you. Bye.